Speaking practice.
Who is calling you?
My mom is calling me.
How did you get here?
I took the bus.
When do you leave for school?
I leave at 8 a.m.
Whose book is that?
That is my book.
Who is your superhero?
My hero is my father.
Whom did you help?
I helped my friend.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel and explore new places.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books in my free time.
Do you like to gardening?
Yes, I like to gardening.
What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I play hockey.
What do you like to play?
I like to play video game.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny day.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in next month.
Should I bring snacks?
Yes, that would be nice.
When is your lecture start?
My lecture is at 1 p.m.
Okay, have a great day.
You too.
Thanks for watching.